Good morning, listeners, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. This is Shrikant Chouhan from Kotak Securities, Head of Fundamental and Technical Research. Today, we are going to discuss about dollar index. It was around 105. Now it is trading above the levels of 108, which is concerning. And that's the reason we are seeing weakness in the Asian markets. They are trading down. Singapore Nifty is down more than 120 points. US stock futures are also trading in the red, and the 10-year bond yield, which was around some 3.0508, is now around 2.95. But the concerning factor is the dollar index, which is just moving upward, and it is inviting worries for other currencies. Indian currency was around 79.45 yesterday, and today we need to see that how actually it opens. It is not as we mentioned, that not positive for equities, so we are going to see lower opening. After opening to the levels of 16,100, we need to see that whether it survives above the levels of 16,100 or it continues to fall further. So below 16,100, the chances of hitting 16,000 or maybe 15,900 would turn bright. There the market is having excellent support, and in case if we see the market is dropping to 16,000, there we need to be watchful in terms of whether the market is forming any reversal formation or not. As we are going to face the quarterly result season, we need to focus more and more on the domestic news flow. So in the current month, our markets will open on the basis of the moment in the US markets or the pattern of Singapore Nifty, but broadly during the day it will follow to the results and to the domestic news flow. So after opening to the important support, again the market will try to establish or try to resume its previous trend. So 16,000 should act as very good support. That is the broader view. 15,900 should be the final stop loss for holding any short-term long positions. If there are any positional long positions in the market, then for that we need to keep a stop loss at 15,700. On the higher side, 16,200, as we mentioned, going to act as major resistance. 16,275 will be the trend decider level, and above that we can expect either 16,350 or 400, where the market has spent maximum time. For the Bank Nifty, there we saw outperformance. Bank Nifty was trading comfortably above the mark of 35,500. So there we are expecting furthermore activity, but yes, we need to see that how it opens and whether it sustains above the psychological mark of 35,000 or not. So at 35,000 on Bank Nifty and at 16,000 on Nifty, we need to be more and more watchful. For the day, again we are going to focus on financials. Also we need to focus on auto companies and few metal companies, as yesterday we saw some activity, some reversal formation in almost all the metals. So based on their short-term formation, we are of the view that they have formed some reversal formation, and today if we see further more activity, then we should look for taking some part for taking intraday positions on the metal sector. That's all from my side. With this, I'm ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening me, and have a great day to all of you.